Traditionally, a pashmina gets its name by the fabric. It's pashmina wool, and is a rectangle, all different colours, different patterns, depending on your colouring and your personality of what choice that you would go for. What I'm going to show you is a fantastic trick. So there's lots of different ways to tie a scarf, which is what I'm going to show you, but right now I'm going to show you how to keep a pashmina on. So if you were just wearing a pashmina, you're out somewhere and it was cold and you were putting it on for warmth and just doing this, it's really, really irritating because it moves and falls to one side and it doesn't stay still. So I'm going to show you how to keep it still and also to make it look even more stylish. So your pashmina will always have a centre point that's got a crease. Find that centre point and place your hands about 10 inches either side of that crease and hold. Now this is quite easy, or easier I should say, if you bring your knee up, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer this hand straight down to there, and then I'm going to lift that up like that. And then I'm very gently going to inch that out so that it gives me a V, inverted V at the bottom. I'm going to show you on myself first, and then all you do is put this, just look in the mirror, at the back so that you've got this V in the centre, and then just pull your hands round. So not only does it gather the scarf so it looks a little bit more stylish and you get this cascade, but just with that fold in the back there, this scarf will now not move. If we have a hurricane, it won't move, that will stay. Even if you've got a very silky dress on, that will not move. So I'm going to show you that again, and the different things that you can do afterwards with the Vona. So you get your pashmina, you have your central crease here, you have your fingers at the top about 10 inches either side, and all you're going to do, if you put this under your chin and transfer your hand straight down, let that bit drop and pull that bit up. This does take practice, so don't get annoyed with yourself if you can't do it first of all. And then what we're going to do is we're going to transfer this, checking that the back is in the centre. If I get it to turn around, you can stand it. You can gather this so that it looks like a jacket. You can twist it, or you can have it very, very simple and just hanging free. It looks very pretty. Don't worry if this isn't central. If you like it asymmetric, so this side is higher and this side is longer, you can have it central, but another way is to pick it up now that it's on, take it slightly to the side, which will make this end shorter and this end longer, and then just turn that and throw it over the shoulder, like so. And to secure that, just place that on the shoulder. So you've got a very beautiful line across here, a twist, a lovely asymmetric neckline, and then what this drape does is it elongates the body. So if you just look in the mirror for me, and I'm going to do a slight variation of that. This looks beautiful from the back. It's very Scottish, this look. And then what you can also do is bring this side up over the shoulder, above the shoulder, and just tuck this like that. You can end it there if you want this at the front and this bit at the back, or you can finish this off. If I take you to the camera slightly, you can finish this with a real statement by just tying this bit here and then having a lovely knot this end. So if I spin you slowly, you can see how these twists and turns show all the colours and just gives a really stylish look. The way you've got this lovely knot here, but this beautiful line that comes and twists on the side there.
Okay, I have your front. So I'm going to go a little bit close up on that before you tell me what
I'm going to show you how to wear a pashmina and turn it into a bolero. Just do this very quickly. I've showed you how to do this slowly. We want these ends even and we want the inverted V central. So if I just check your back, just move that slightly there, so we've got this central. And what we're going to do is we're going to twist both sides and tie it backwards. And so we just gather this forward so that you've got the whole pashmina forwards. If you spin right round for me, you've got this lovely jacket effect at the top here. If I turn you, so we take this and we just turn, take to the back and hold, and we turn and we take to the back. And don't worry if any of this falls out while we're doing this, and all you're going to do is pull it like that. Now you can do a double knot, make a feature out of that bit. As you can see, you've got this beautiful crossover and then a knot. Depends really on how long your pashmina is, because if you're putting this on and it's quite tight, just do the one knot like that. But we've got enough fabric here to do this. You've got this beautiful cut here. If I just spin you round. And so from the front now, covers the shoulders beautifully. So this can be for warmth, it can be to protect you from the sun, and it can be to brighten up any outfit. And where this ends, just above the waist, it's really highlighting the waist, so it's really lovely for the body line. You can put this over vest top, jeans, a shirt. You could put it over the most elaborate ball gown. What do you think of that one?
I think it's beautiful and it's so simple and it really does feel quite secure, so you don't have to worry that it's going to be slipping off your shoulders. So, well, I think you've already given it a name. It's the bolero, isn't it?
The bolero.
Yeah.
Now with this one, I know that people are going to say, well, how do I do this myself? You can either teach a friend how to do it or a partner, but I'm just going to show you on myself. Just look in the mirror, see if that's central. So all you're doing is turning it like this. Make sure you've got all of the fabric, and then tie it like that and double knot it. Pull that part out. There you have. You're probably not going to be wearing it with long sleeves, so that's how simple it is, and then it's very easy to undo as well. And pull forward.
Excellent!
But I was going to show you one more thing with this. So the last one I'm going to show you with the crossed over inverted V pashmina. It's very simple. Make sure that's in the centre of the back again. Gather this up a bit on the shoulders. You can give yourself a beautiful neckline just by turning. See this bit here? Turn that bit upwards. And tie up here and through. And be as creative as you want. You can see that this bit's longer and this bit's shorter. I really like that. Don't try and get everything matchy-matchy unless that suits your personality. And again, that's not going to move. And you've still got this beautiful back. This is took the back up a bit higher, so this would be lovely with a vest top or a low back dress. Remembering that we can also, once we've done this, flip it slightly on the side. Tuck that down. Tuck that across. And just by moving it very slightly, you've got another look. And so we've got it. Ivona personally loves asymmetric, so having this across the back here will tap into her personality.
Yeah.
And then you've got this lovely crossover on the side here. Lovely. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and you will get notifications when the new videos are out, each of them addressing a problem that I know you're going to be having in your wardrobe, and so you will love it. Enjoy.